What if there's a reverse mortgage on the property? Can a ladybird deed be used? Yes, a ladybird deed can be used even if there is a reverse mortgage on the property, or any mortgage for that matter. Now, it's important to understand that if there is a mortgage on the property, a standard mortgage, reverse mortgage, this mortgage does go with the property. So when you do a ladybird deed leaving the property to a beneficiary, they are also in effect inheriting the mortgage that goes along with the property. It doesn't go away just because it has new ownership. And in fact, it can get complicated, meaning they inherit the property, it may need to be paid off right away, or maybe needs to be refinanced. Some mortgages, many mortgages, depending on who is inheriting the property, especially if it's a child, can be assumed. But all these are things that need to be worked out with a specific bank or lender that holds the mortgage. Oftentimes what I see in my practice is when we do utilize a ladybird deed, the people who are inheriting the property, the beneficiaries on the deed, are often selling the property shortly after they inherit it. And what would happen in this scenario is when they sell the property, the reverse mortgage would need to be fully satisfied at that time. It's the same with, again, any type of mortgage. That type of loan is going to follow the property. So it's going to stay with the property. Reverse mortgage, any type of mortgage, it doesn't go away when property is transferred. It stays with the property. So when the property is sold, the mortgage is going to have to be satisfied, or if the plan isn't to sell the property, the mortgage either has to be assumed, or sometimes a refinance has to be done, or something will have to be worked out. However, though, depending on the amount of the reverse mortgage and how much the property is worth, oftentimes it still does make sense to do the ladybird deed and have the property, have the bonus of having the property not have to go through probate. You can still leave it to whoever you want to leave it to, and then obviously the mortgage will have to be considered or taken care of as part of that process, but it won't preclude you from doing the ladybird deed. So I hope this answers your question, and if you have any other questions about ladybird deeds, estate planning, asset protection, Medicaid, or probate, and you are in Florida, please don't hesitate to contact our office or atCAUSE Law Office, the non-stuffy attorneys, and the link is in my bio.